Are you drinking gallons of water every day but still feeling thirsty, dry, and exhausted? You are not crazy. You might be running to the bathroom to pee every 20 minutes, flushing your life away. It is annoying. You suffer from constant headaches, brain fog, or sudden dizzy spells when you stand up. These are warnings. You have been told that water is the source of life, but the water you are drinking is actually stripping you. It is dead water. Imagine one simple, damp, gray crystal that acts as a magnet for water molecules. It changes everything. This ancient salt is not the white poison you have been warned to avoid. It is a mineral powerhouse. It is medicine. This gray gold creates a spark of electricity in your cells, forcing the water inside where it belongs. It hydrates you. This secret crystal is scientifically proven to heal adrenal fatigue, stop migraines instantly, and balance your blood pressure. The results are fast. It acts as the ultimate electrolyte replacement, stopping muscle cramps and restoring your energy immediately. It saves you. This is the ultimate, non-drug secret to fixing your hydration, your energy, and your nerves. It costs pennies. We'll expose the huge lie about low-salt diets and why avoiding this mineral is making you sick. Get the truth. If you ignore this mineral balance, you risk heart palpitations, chronic insomnia, and cellular dehydration. The risk is high. We'll reveal the exact tongue trick you must do before drinking water to unlock its power. Use this method. Don't skip the final warning about the specific color you must look for to avoid fake, bleached salts. Check the color. Stay tuned to master the ultimate secret to true hydration and waking up your dead cells. Your energy starts. Now, the miraculous, damp, gray substance we are revealing today. The only salt that heals you is Celtic Sea Salt. But before we explain why, we must destroy the water myth. You have been told to drink 8 glasses of water a day. But if you drink plain, filtered water, it contains no minerals. It is empty. When this empty water enters your body, it acts like a vacuum cleaner. It leaches minerals like magnesium, potassium, and sodium out of your cells and flushes them out in your urine. This is why you pee constantly but your mouth stays dry. You are washing away your batteries. This state is called hyponatremia or mineral washout. It causes headaches, fatigue, and brain fog. To fix this, you don't need more water. You need the right kind of salt. Table salt, white salt, is a poison. It is processed at 1,200 degrees, bleached, and stripped of all minerals except sodium and chloride. It contains aluminum anti-caking agents that is toxic to your brain. Celtic sea salt is different. It is harvested by hand in France using wooden tools. To avoid metal contamination, it is sun-dried, leaving it moist and packed with over 82 essential trace minerals. That moisture is key. The salt feels wet because it contains magnesium, which is a water-hungry mineral. Magnesium is the master mineral that relaxes muscles, calms nerves, and balances blood pressure. When you take Celtic salt, you are taking nature's perfect electrolyte blend. Let's talk about the tongue trick for instant hydration. If you dissolve the salt in the water, it works okay. But for the maximum effect, you should place a single crystal of Celtic salt on your tongue. Let it dissolve for a few seconds. Your mucous membranes absorb the minerals instantly. Then drink your glass of water. The minerals on your tongue signal your body to pull that water inside the cells, rather than letting it pass right through. This stops the constant urination. You will notice you pee less, but your urine is lighter. And your skin looks plump and hydrated. Now let's address the massive fear: high blood pressure. Doctors scream, cut the salt. They are right about table salt. Table salt causes swelling and high blood pressure because it is unnatural and unbalanced. But Celtic salt contains magnesium and potassium, which act as natural buffers. These minerals help your body regulate the sodium, ensuring that your blood pressure stays stable. Many people find that when they switch to Celtic salt and hydrate properly, their blood pressure actually normalizes. Now let's look at adrenal fatigue. Your adrenal glands are the tiny hats sitting on top of your kidneys. They manage your stress and energy. Salt is the #1 fuel for your adrenals. When you are salt deprived, your body produces more stress hormones, cortisol, to hold on to the little sodium you have. This keeps you in a state of fight or flight, leading to anxiety and exhaustion. By feeding your adrenals healthy salt, you lower your stress hormones and restore calm, sustainable energy. It is also a miracle for chronic headaches. Most headaches are not caused by a lack of aspirin. They are caused by swelling in the brain due to electrolyte imbalance. Taking a pinch of Celtic salt with water balances the pressure in your brain cells, often stopping a headache faster than a pill. Let's talk about sleep. If you wake up between 2 a.m. and 4 a.m. every night, you might be suffering from a salt spike. When your sodium drops too low at night, your body spikes adrenaline to compensate, waking you up. Taking a tiny pinch of salt before bed can keep your levels stable, allowing you to sleep through the night deeply. Now we must discuss the benefits for digestion. Your stomach needs chloride to produce hydrochloric acid, stomach acid. Without enough salt, you cannot produce enough acid to digest your food. This leads to acid reflux, GERD, bloating, and gas. Increasing your intake of mineral-rich salt helps your stomach break down meat and absorb nutrients, curing indigestion. It acts as a natural antihistamine. If you have allergies or asthma, salt on the tongue can help break up mucus and reduce the swelling in your airways. Now let's distinguish the types. Celtic vs Himalayan vs table. Table salt, pure poison. Bleached, avoid at all costs. Himalayan pink salt, very good. It is mined from ancient rocks. It is dry and rich in iron, hence the pink color. Celtic Sea Salt, the best. It is harvested from the living ocean. It is wet and rich in magnesium. Because of the magnesium content, Celtic salt is superior for those with anxiety, muscle cramps, and hydration issues. The typical therapeutic dosage is very simple. You don't need to measure grams. Just swap out your white salt shaker for Celtic salt in your cooking, and do the tongue trick every time you drink a large glass of water. Usually a total of half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon per day is sufficient for most active adults. Listen to your body. If you crave salt, eat it. Your body knows what it needs. We must address the final warning regarding kidney disease. If you have advanced chronic kidney disease (CKD) or are on dialysis, your kidneys cannot process minerals properly. You must be extremely careful with potassium and sodium. Do not start this protocol without your nephrologist's approval. Also, if you have salt-sensitive hypertension, which is rare but exists, monitor your pressure closely when switching. For the vast majority of people, the fear of salt is keeping them sick, tired, and dehydrated. This damp gray crystal is the spark plug your body has been waiting for. It turns the lights back on in your brain, stops the constant bathroom trips, and heals your exhausted adrenals. This affordable bag of gray gold is your ultimate tool for surviving the modern world of stress. We have now armed you with the exact knowledge to safely leverage this ocean mineral. Now tell us in the comments below, have you ever tasted the wet salt and did it stop your headaches? We want to hear your reaction. If this video revealed the simple cure for someone struggling with migraines or constant thirst, please share it immediately with them. You could be giving them the answer. And finally, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right now. You don't want to miss our next video, where we expose the top 3 surprising foods that are secretly causing your hair loss and aging. Thank you for prioritizing your health. Eat the salt and hydrate your life. We will see you next time with more breakthrough natural remedies.